Falco and then realized that he doesn't have fun unless he's playing Ness, so.
Mucho Mario, does he still play Falco?
Yes, he does.
Yeah.
And he has the scrubbiest Marth ever that sometimes beats me. It's probably gonna go Falco though. I don't think they played a tournament. They played like Psi-Guy's Ness versus Falco.
So it looks like they went straight to Dreamland.
Yeah, where's the... Yeah, Dreamland. So last time they played a tournament, Mucho Mario kind of like... It was like a 2-stock and a 1-stock or something. So it's it's what you'd expect. I mean, it's like Ness versus Falco. You can like throw them off stage and maybe hope to get a few early stocks, but other than that,
I saw a little bit there, like a little bit ago. Oh, and right there, he tried to PK fire. That is not a good move.
no, but
And I don't think it's gonna help his offensive game at all.
well, you can use it to cover tech options, which is what he was trying to do there. It's just Mucho chose the like correct tech option each time. So, and you can get a grab off of it if they don't smash GI out. So, Falco up smash is gonna kill on Dreamland. You don't see that every day. I like that forward tilt. Like I tried to double jump cancel, and Mucho just stuck his foot out and hit that in the face. Could have followed that up with a back air or something.
Yeah,
he chose to just
really like. I think that's one of the better.
Yeah, I was talking about Mucho Mario though, but he like backed off and just took center. But yeah, Ness's back air is one of Ness's best moves. Same with his nair. His nair comes out super quick. His back air is like Falcon knee power, probably weaker, but still really good.
Yeah.
Really good hitbox, really good startup, and you can combo into it with like down airs. You can combo into it with dash attack if he connects. Oh, that was a mistake. Almost got that shield poke. Yeah, that was really unfortunate.
Oh, you know, I'm gonna at least try to see if I can get some PK Thunder off.
Yeah, I guarantee you that was.
Off that SP.
Yeah, in Smash 4 and stuff, there is no such thing as double jump canceling. So if you just double jump, you just like kind of float up in that same what's the word? Trajectory.
Yeah.
Except you're doing an aerial, but I guarantee you
like V can't.
No, it's not like V canceling at all. Which should be called aerial guard because it makes more sense than scripted.
V canceling sounds cooler though.
No, it doesn't. Anything canceling sounds stupid.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah. I'm gonna call wave dashing air dodge canceling from now on.
Air dodge canceling. But wave dashing is
air dodge canceling. Dude. Oh man, I'm gonna start this.
Air dodge
canceling. Air dodge canceling. Yeah, it's exactly what it is. It's an air dodge cancel. So wave shining is air dodge cancel shining.
Oh.
Doesn't sound
a little too close to stage to get
yeah, this is actually a really good situation. That's dead. Yeah,
wow.
see if you can throw him off stage, take his double jump, send him far enough down. Falco can
really
just restock.
There's a lot of like early kills, I think.
Yeah,
we just saw one of them.
Yeah, if he doesn't SD again, and if he didn't SD, this should be a much closer game, but or much more in Psi-Guy's favor. Catch him with back air. Okay, that was definitely a flop. The wind helped him out though.
Oh. No dare? I was thinking
no,
for sure.
No, Psi-Guy backed up, so. Psi-Guy hits center, gives it up there. Ooh.
You really don't want
that was a good opening. Let's get to something. Oh!
Oh!
Down air! Oh!
No!
Okay, still keeps up a punish. Nice. Okay, oh, he does the slow get up. That was such a good situation. Attacked down a ton of percent though, so this could be dead. Did he get fire?
Oh, okay.
He did a little
good recovery.
Early. Yeah, Psi-Guy was looking for the early side view.
Oh, I thought barely missed the back air. Mucho Mario is going to take game one, but not by much.
Not by much. Psi-Guy had the opportunity. He just he dropped a few edge guards, and he really needs to nail those because, like, once you send Falco off stage, especially as Ness, you need to capitalize, like, to death.
Oh, absolutely. I couldn't agree more, especially because Ness is one of those characters where, you know,
He's bad.
Yeah, he's bad, and he's a lot easier to do kind of combos on.
Yeah, he doesn't have a lot of options in neutral, so he's got the double jump cancel, which helps out a lot. Okay, Mucho's down throwing a lot. It looks like Ness's tech roll is actually pretty far, so... Okay. That was not an optimal punish.
I was thinking maybe Shine there.
Yeah, definitely Shine.
But it looks like Mucho Mario's got a slight lead.
Yep. He's just kind of playing the patient game, shooting lasers, throwing out some back airs, which you can do. Okay.
I feel like he's kind of missing some opportunities there to capitalize, especially when Ness is in the middle of that PK thunder.
Yeah, you can definitely. It's
Go
kind of
out,
like
maybe throw out a down air or a back air, or
yeah,
even maybe a nair.
Yeah, it's just like Fox and Falco's up B, where you can just kind of react to it. Like once you see the up B start, you can just go out there and hit them. And especially with Ness, because Ness's is like 50% longer, the animation, before he gets thunder actually hit them. Alright, he's going through the up throws now, which I like. Except, okay, this is read, but he's trying to like down air, and that really only works if Psi-Guy doesn't hit the DI, but he's been hitting DI pretty well, so...
Yeah, I'd say there's definitely, I think also just I mean, even though Ness is a bad character, I feel like there's a certain amount of adjustment in this matchup, because this isn't really a matchup that you see every day of the week.
Right, yeah, the double jump cancels can be, like, some odd movement, and, other than that, though, like, Psi-Guy, or Ness's hitboxes aren't that, like, there's nothing really janky about Ness except for his dash attack, which Psi-Guy hasn't been hitting very often, so...
Yeah.
There's one. See, like, normally, sometimes it pops you up, sometimes it, like, jab resets you, sometimes it just, like, hits you down to the ground, like, I don't know.
I'd say, though, at least to a certain degree,
Like
it's kind of good that he's not just throwing out dash attack, because it's kind of a risky move.
Yeah, it's, you really have to... Okay. I liked the Nair, but he was a little late.
Yeah, a little bit.
Gets him off stage, just grab the ledge, yeah.
Yeah, Falco, it's really tough when you're below stage to recover.
Yeah, yeah.
Side B can't really save you,
Yeah.
as your up B is just very limited.
Yeah, Falco does not have to hit the blast zone to die. You can just hit him far enough away. His blast zone is, like, way closer to the stage than everyone else's blast zone. Yep. Okay. Oh!
Okay.
Wow, so I was just gonna say.
Oh, and great recovery as well.
Yeah, oh my, that was really
Just
smart by
snapping to the
Psi-Guy.
ledge.
Because, oh my god, that was so smart. Because Mucho, like last time, Mucho didn't go out and hit him, and I think, Psi-Guy knew that Mucho Mario knew that he made a mistake, so, okay, that's how he waits, but...
Back air? Oh, man. Oh, okay.
Alright, so he has
back
no
air.
jump, so he has to be, okay. So this is another one-stack game. This time, Psi-Guy's got a slight lead. Okay. Grab. Psi-Guy, or Mucho is just crossing up back and forth. Ooh. Yeah, PK Fire, it really doesn't cover as much as it like seems it should.
Yeah.
Unless Psi-Guy's just missing the timing. The timing could be really tight if he wants to cover like tech and plates and like a tech roll. Sweet spots. Just gonna get back air. Psi-Guy had the opportunities. He had a really nice trade, but he just couldn't. He just couldn't get back on stage, and he just died.